maintain 70, since 70 ang speed, mag 100 ka lang pag nandun ka na sa 100 na yon, or else makuhuli ka ng police. Hindi ka pa nakalampas dun sa 70, you have to maintain your speed hanggang marating mo yung sabi niya. So that's the yung papunta sa atin. You have to slow down and indicate.
I thought we were gonna go all the way.
Sa Brangsong? Sige. Pagka ganyan na may malaking, medyo mag-slow down ka and you have to ng konti. Means you have to go around that bend. 65 is the safest speed para hindi ka, you don't go in the center line. You have to balik ka sa speed mo. Pag yung gilid ng kalsada is parang ganon, huwag ka masyadong magpagilid din. You have to maintain yung mo dyan sa road. Kasi since pag ganon na bababa, parang mawalan ka ng control sa kwan mo. Since malayo pa, nakikita mo yung makasalubong natin is tractor. It means wide siya. So while you're still malayo, you have to prepare to slow down. You have to reduce your speed para may time ka na magpagilid ng konti. But yan, pagka naman makakos ka ng traffic sa likod, yung lang yung safe speed para makaano ka ng distance mo sa kwan na yon, sasakyan na yon. Just slow down, but do not do not stop. Doon na lang tayo para tuloy-tuloy ka na lang. Para ma-practice kasi if you're gonna drive every day, you cannot choose yung mga sasakyan na makakasalubong mo. All kinds of mga sasakyan makakasalubong mo. You have to prepare na. Nagpabilis ka na you're speeding. So huwag ka naman magpa-slow ng masyadong aabot ka ng 60. Just lang, katamtaman lang na reduce ng speed. Yung safe ka lang na makaano siya. And then you have to na naman yung speed mo.
Okay na ba yan?
But you have to practice na hindi ka bababa masyado sa naman 70. Kung kaya mong makalusot doon ng 80, pati mas maganda, but it's safer kung what's comfortable with you. Kasi magagalit yung driver sa likod mo, magliliko ka saka pa lang ikaw mag-indicate. So while you're still dapat doon before you reach yung line na yon, nakaano na yung manibela mo na mag-turn ka. Unless merong sasakyan doon na also waiting para mag-turn din, then you have to go that angle, sharp na angle. But then kung wala naman, kasi kung may sasakyan sa likod mo, you have to turn a little bit faster. Safe na see, huwag masyadong tapakan yung accelerator mo kasi lilipat ka. Just make sure na you can control your steering wheel. You can feel it naman if you're really fast. Paminsan-minsan you have to glance at your speedometer kung what's your speed na, para maano mo yung paa mo, how gaano kadiin yung pagtapak mo sa accelerator mo. Ay, apo, Diyos ko, aya. You have to, yung pan mo yung brake mo, slowly, soft lang na pagtapak sa preno. Huwag kang alam mo yung line na yon, yung line doon, huwag ka nang lalampas doon kasi or else mapupunta ka sa gilid. Before you reach that line, dapat nakaano ka na, yung speed mo dapat safe ka nang mag-turn. Hindi yung ang bilis-bilis